How to make a click-worthy thumbnail in Canva. So let's make a thumbnail in Canva about one of my videos I am going to record in the future. I haven't made a script yet. I just know I want to make a video about the DJI Mic 2. So as you see, we're in Canva right now, and I have set a background for my thumbnail. Whenever I start creating a thumbnail, I search my title in the YouTube search bar and see what thumbnails come out. And in this case, there were no green thumbnails about the DJI Mic 2. So I decided to go with green. So whenever I make thumbnails, most of the time I put a picture of myself in it. So let's start with a picture of myself. So I've made a selection of pictures for myself that I can use in my thumbnails. I'll use this one. So I always use Canva to make my thumbnails. Why? Canva is so easy to use. Everyone can use it. I have Canva Pro. I highly suggest for you to get Pro too, because it's only 10 bucks a month, I think, and you can do so much things with Canva Pro, like removing backgrounds, like I'm doing right now. Buy background, and if you have a picture of yourself, you can always play around with the settings of that picture to make it pop. So I always increase the sharpness like this, and I put on a filter, and you can choose any filter you want. If you make sure the colors pop, you're okay. So here I am. I always choose to use text, and to consider my branding I always use the same font. So I always add text, and that's this one. So here we go. I don't know what the text will be just yet, but I can already put it in. Okay, so these are the basics of my thumbnail. Then I have to add another element, which is a picture of the DJI Mic 2. So let's get a picture. This one is nice. Copy image and paste it right here. And remove the background. That's why Canva Pro is such an unmissable feature in Canva. If you want to get Pro, I'll leave a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link just yet, but it might be in the future, because I'm applying for affiliate partner in the beginning of 2025. Look at this. So this will be a very basic thumbnail, but basic is good. Less is more. People generally only look half a second at your thumbnail, and they must understand what it's about. So I'll move the text right here. I'll make it bigger. And because the picture of the DJI Mic 2 is already black, I'm going to change the font color to white. And as you can see, it doesn't really pop just yet. So I add an effect. This one, set it to a high intensity, and it makes it pop just a little bit more. But I'm going to move it to the background. Okay, I'm going to play around with the DJI Mic picture just a little bit, so the 2 pops out a little bit more. How am I going to do this? Okay, I'm going to change a little bit in this picture. If you have this problem, like this picture is right in front of the 2 right now, we can fix it. How am I going to do it? I'm going to select the text, remove the 2, select it again, duplicate, remove it, 2, Move it right here and put it above the picture. Add some depth to it, I believe. Yeah, cool. Put me back in the frame. Make it a little bit bigger. Put me behind the DJY part. I'll make myself a little bit bigger, and it's just playing around here, okay? Just playing around, see whatever happens and what's good. Maybe like this. I'm not really happy just yet. Okay, but I want the DJI mic to really pop, so I'm going to add an effect and add a shadow. You can play around with the color to make it pop, and I'm going to try white. Big shadow. Something like this. And as you see, it has shrunk a little bit, so I'm going to make it bigger again. That's nice, but the text is white and the shadow is white. I don't know what I think about it. It's okay. Not happy with myself just yet, so I'm going to add a shadow to myself as well. It can be black because I am not the star of this picture. Just a small shadow. Like this. So there you have it, a great basic thumbnail made with Canva. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's been 10 minutes or so, but you can do it as well. So a little recap of what you have to think about. Make sure the color of your thumbnail is different from the other thumbnails that pop up when you type in your title in the search bar. Okay? Always have a little bit of text, not more than 2 or 3 words. Make sure it is coherent with your title. If you want to do branding, put a picture of yourself in the thumbnail. It will make people recognize your face, and if they love your content, they recognize the thumbnail, and it's easier for them to click and watch your video instead of watching a video from someone they don't know. So if you think this video was helpful in any kind, please subscribe. I would love it if you subscribe and help me get to 10K subscribers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which is right here. And YouTube suggests you watch this one next because it thinks it's an awesome fit for you.